Mike Murphy with Next Foils. Today we're going to teach you how to do your first wake roll. It is called a wake back roll. Good luck.
If you're watching this video, I'm going to assume two things. Number one is you want to do a double wake back roll. Number two is you've already watched the other videos that show you how to take off and it shows you how to land, because that's the same in every trick. The only thing that changes is what you do between the takeoff and the landing. Generally, when I teach, the first couple times is a single wake back roll. You'll see Tony here. That's exactly what he's going to do, a single wake back roll. He hits it, he dips, he has a good dip. He didn't keep his shoulders facing out, so he actually did a single wake back roll. There's two things you can do to solve this problem. One is you can shorten the rope so the wake's narrow. The second thing you can do is when you take off, look at something at the shore and then keep your shoulders facing that way and look for it at the landing. So this is probably the most important part of the trick right here. You can see how I get that rope right in down to my knees and low. That pulls the tip of the ski up and straightens out the ski. You need to do that. Now as I come down, what's going to happen is you're going to see my hands right on my knees. I've straightened out the ski. I got it low so the tip of the ski is up. That's what you need to do right there. Okay, this is my buddy Kevin. He does a really good wake-to-wake back roll. What he does is you'll notice right here he gets a really good dip, and then he actually waits for the foil to clear the surface before he chucks the trick. He's looking at those houses to his left. He lands that way. Perfect execution of the trick.